Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can bleed your radiator, or essentially how to let air from your radiator out. So let's get started. Now this is just a usual bathroom radiator and it's the highest point in the house, and that's usually the radiator that I prefer to start bleeding on. Now first off, what you would need to do is just locate the bleed nipple. So as this is a vertical radiator, it's usually at the top right here. So once you find it, you would just need to access the screw right here. So for this you would just need a standard flathead screwdriver. Now once you found the bleed nipple, you can ready a rag just in case if some water comes out, but I'm on tiling so it doesn't really matter. Now once you find it, you just need to insert your screwdriver like this and then just open the valve. As you can hear some air coming out, and there we go. So once the water starts coming out, the bleeding is done. Now if there's a lot of air that came out, you would also need to increase your boiler pressure. So depending on your boiler, you would just need to open it up and then take a look at this bar gauge right here. So as you can see, we're a bit low, but we're still in the green zone. Now if you'd like to know how to increase water pressure on this, this is a Valiant boiler, but the process is the same for every other boiler. So you can watch the next video right here where I show exactly how to increase the boiler water pressure. Now if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe.